The tale of ice cream is a delightful journey that begins as far back as ancient times. In Mesopotamia around 2000 BCE, people experimented with a blend of milk, cream, and sweeteners placed over ice, creating a precursor to the beloved dessert we know today. The joy of frozen treats traveled through civilizations, with the ancient Greeks and Romans indulging in snowy confections sweetened with honey. The simple pleasures of these frozen delights sparkled brightly in the halls of history, bringing joy to gatherings and noble feasts alike. As centuries ticked by, the Middle Ages witnessed the transformative influence of the Arabs around 800 CE. They introduced sugar and exotic flavors like rosewater and orange blossom, enhancing the previously straightforward recipes with depth and aromatic delight. By the 12th century, these frozen delicacies found their way into the grand courts of medieval Europe, where they served at regal banquets, solidifying their status as a treat meant for special occasions. The allure of these frozen marvels made them a celebration of both taste and artistry. The Renaissance shaped an era where culinary innovation flourished, notably in Italy during the 1500s. The renowned Medici family commissioned their chefs to develop frozen desserts that dazzled the senses and showcased culinary skill. Moving into the 17th century, chefs in France honed their craft further, spinning intricate ice cream cakes and artistic frozen sculptures that captured both beauty and flavor. Meanwhile, in the American colonies by the 1700s, ice cream broke into the hearts of many, signaling the start of a sweet epidemic through gatherings and social events. The Industrial Revolution in the 19th century marked a pivotal moment in the ice cream saga. Ice harvesting, a practice born out of necessity, painted a vivid picture of winters spent gathering blocks from nature's frozen lakes. This era also birthed Nancy Johnson's ingenious machine in 1843, mechanizing ice cream production and paving the way for modern desserts. The 20th century ramped up production through refrigeration advancements, ushering ice cream into the homes of everyday people, where it transformed from luxury to staple. Entering the 21st century, a surge of artisanal and craft ice cream makers emerged, embracing unique and bold flavors. The globalization of culinary trends further diversified offerings, enticing the palate with fusion flavors from around the world. Recently, the demand for vegan and sustainable varieties sparked innovation as creators embraced plant-based ingredients and eco-friendly practices. Ice cream's evolution symbolizes not just a changing palate, but also a cultural journey, a harmonious blend of history and modernity in every scoop.